All right, so here is that mini lesson on bigger houses. Little first couple lead lines um, from that whole intro solo. That whole wonderful part. So what this is going to be based out of, this is going to be based out of a G major pentatonic scale. But first, what we're going to do is we're going to play the scale in the A minor position, and then we're going to transfer that over to the 12th fret. So to play this line. So to play this scale shape, we want to take our pointer finger and we want to go to our 5th fret. So it's the second dot. And we want to pluck that note. And then because we got 2 frets that we're going to skip, think of our finger as each fret. So we're going to skip the 6th and 7th fret. So we're going to use our pinky on the 8th fret. So for the first 2 notes, we got 5, 8. And then for the next 3 strings, the A, D, and G, we're only going to skip 1 fret, and we're going to play frets 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. So you can think of it as dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. So far, what we have is 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. And then for the B and E string, we're going to play the same thing that we did on the low E. We're going to play 5, 8, 5, 8. So what we got 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. And then let's take that backwards. We got 8, 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5. Okay, so now to play this little intro lead line from Bigger Houses, we're going to take this position and we're going to slide it all the way to the double dot at the 12th fret. And we're going to play that same exact shape. So it's going to be frets 12 and 15. And then for the next 3 strings, A, D, and G, we're going to be 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14, and then last 2 strings, 12, 15, 12, 15. So we got 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 15, 12, 15. And then we take that back. 15, 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 15, 12. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this little intro part. We're just going to do the first couple licks. And we're going to split them up. And so what we're going to do is we're going to play. So we're going to play ascending. We're going to play 12, 14, 12, 14 on the G, or on the D and G string. So we're going to go. So that's what we have so far. And then now to add to the next part, we're going to do a slide technique. So we're going to hit this note again, and then we're going to slide as we hit it. we're going to slide to the 14th fret. So you can just practice that alone. So to add that all together, 12, 14, 12, 14, 14 again. And then as you hit that 14 again, you slide. So that's the first lick. Now for the second lick, we're going to go back to the 14th fret and we're going to descend. We're going to go 14, 12 on the G string, and then 14 on the D string. So far we got and then now after we do that, we're just going to do one extra thing to it. And we're going to slide on the 12th fret. We're going to use that technique again. On the low E, we're going to slide 12 to 14. So we got now to put that all together, and then a little bit up to speed. So that is what we got so far for the first two licks and our scale shape. What's really cool is you can take this shape anywhere on the fretboard. It's transposable, so you can move it anywhere. So for example, I could go to the 3rd fret and play that same shape. I can go to the 5th fret. I can go to the 7th fret. I can go to the 10th fret. And then 12th. Just as an example, but you can actually take this scale shape all the way from 1st fret to the 12th fret. And so that can be some good practice. And then what I would do is I would use alternate picking. So remember doing our down, up, down, up, down, up. So for example, if we do at the 12th fret here, we're going to go downstroke, upstroke, 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 downstroke, upstroke. All right, there we go.